Do you know why cash flow is prepared under three different categories? How do we need to categorize different financial transactions into these three categories? What these categories are? Actually, these three categories are cash flow from operational activities, cash flow from financing activities, and cash flow from investing activities. Hi, my name is Rajesh Thakur, and in this video, with the help of an example, I'll explain the reasons why do we need to categorize the financial transactions into these three different categories and prepare our cash flow statement. Let's start. I give you an example of a person who starts his business. Let's say this guy Ram start a company with the name Ram Limited. ओके और अब ये सोचता है कि मैं अपना एक बिज़नेस शुरू करूं, बिजनेस ऑफ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एंड सेल फर्नीचर लाइक सोफा, डाइनिंग टेबल, etc. So the business which Ram is thinking of to start is manufacturing and sale furniture. Now to manufacture this furniture, what he will be requiring? He will be requiring some raw materials like उसको wood की ज़रूरत होगी, उसे सनमाइका की ज़रूरत होगी, फेविकॉल की ज़रूरत होगी. These are the few raw materials name which he'll be requiring to manufacture his furniture. Apart from that, he will be requiring some utilities. I'll say electricity, water he will be requiring. So these are the utilities which Ram will require to manufacture his furniture. Now he has raw materials, he has utilities to be used in manufacturing raw materials. But he cannot manufacture this unless and until there's labor, there's machinery. So he will be using and requiring labor and machine to manufacture the furniture. So this all expenses, if we look at over here, Ram does, they are all related to his business of manufacturing and sale furniture. Why I'm mentioning this over here is that all the operational activities, all the operational expenses which has been incurred, that will be categorized under operational activities, that will be adjusted in operational activities. But apart from these operational activities, what are the bases to start his business with? So he has to do some allied activities. Okay, तो कौन कौन सी अलाइड एक्टिविटीज़ राम को करनी पड़ेगी? अगर हम तस्वीर में देखें यहाँ पर, we can see there's a people working in a factory with a machine to manufacture furniture. Okay, so what he will be requiring? He will be requiring land. He will construct building on that land. Okay, he'll require machines and other assets. So these are the assets Ram needs to buy and invest his money. So this is an investment Ram is doing into all these assets. What is investment? Investment is assets which has a benefit over a period of time, which provides benefit over a period of time. Okay, because land he will use for his business, building he will use for his business, machinery he will use for it. So all this investment Ram is doing to start his business of manufacturing and sell furniture. Now the moot question comes, the second activities. ये सब काम करने के लिए राम को क्या चाहिए? Finance. So what will be the sources of finance for Ram to start his business with? They can be this Ram Limited will require the sources of finance which they can do from various sources, like they can issue shares, they can issue debentures, they can take bank loan, right? So all these sources of finance will be used by Ram Limited to start his business of manufacturing and sell furniture. So now you can see the complete picture of Ram Limited business. So what are the activities which Ram has done? So if we look at from the inverse order, we'll see first there will be financing activities. So Ram will finance his business, then he will invest in land building machinery. Only then he can start manufacturing his furniture. So that is why the cash flow statement is categorized under all these three categories, and expenses related to all these categories are grouped under these three different categories. Let's say there's a financing activities. Ram has taken bank loan or he has issued debenture. So what he will pay? He will pay interest on bank loan, debentures, right? So these are the financing activities. So all these expenses will be adjusted from the profit and categorized under financing activities. Same way, investing activities. Let's say Ram has purchased machinery. So purchase of machinery is the investment he has made. Same way, there can be loss on sale of machinery. So this loss on sale of machinery will be adjusted in the profit and loss account, because this loss will be debited in the profit and loss account. But we'll take it off from the operational activities, that is under profit and loss, and then we'll transfer that money from there to investing activities with respect to the amount he has received from sale of machinery. The third comes operational activities. So operational activities are those, like I said, these raw materials, electricity, labor, all expenses which Ram has incurred and earned profit or loss, we can say, will be from the operational activities. So the profit and loss which has been given or which will be given in the question shall get adjusted with respect to activities which belongs to only operational activities. Other activities will be transferred from operational activities, because that will be categorized under earlier when we make profit and loss, that they will be there, like interest on debentures will be in the profit and loss account. So we'll take that off from profit and loss and transfer it to the financing activities. I hope now you understand the reason why cash flow is prepared and categorized in three activities. Hope you understand now the reasons of categorization of financial transactions into three different categories and prepare cash flow statement based on that. Even if you have any query, any questions, please do write and I'll happy to answer and clear all your doubts. I'll also request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that any future notifications related to my video reach to you in time. Thank you, take care, and all the best for your exam. Bye bye.